Today in this video we are going to make beautiful rose with green leaves. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this flower here I am taken 1-inch satin ribbon which is having the length 50 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon to secure the edges. Now be ready with the needle along with thread. Now at the starting of the ribbon, give a corner fold and clip it. Now with a gap of 6 centimeters as shown in the video, give a diagonal fold. Secure that fold by clipping. Repeat this diagonal fold until you reaches the end of the ribbon. Now folding is completed. Be ready with the needle along with thread and give a running stitch as shown in the video. In our channel, we are done with many flowers using satin ribbon and foam sheet. Among them, you can use these flowers for your Broochworks and crafts. If you are interested, please visit our channel. After completion of stitching, gently pull out the thread as shown here. Shown in the video, to secure the rolling of the ribbon, apply glue and roll the ribbon. Flower is one of the best flower for your Broochworks and crafts. Now flower part is completed. To make the leaf, here I am taken 1-inch satin ribbon having the length 5 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon. Now give a triangle fold as shown in the video. Now as shown in the video, give a half fold. Fold it with the tweezer. Cut as shown here. And join the cut edges by giving heat touch up. After completion of joining, open the fold and give a pleats as shown here. By folding the pleats with the tweezer, give a heat touch up to secure the pleats. Now leaf part is completed, and decorate that leaf with pollen as shown here. Join that leaf and flower as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming beautiful videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, let me know in the comments regarding this video. You can use this flower for hair accessories also. Can use this flower for headband also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.